I need some help. Look at these things that I'm developing, and you can only see them ever so slightly. This one's more prominent right now, but this one is more darker. I've got enough problems with these bags under my eyes. Don't come at me for grammar, but look, it's just like this like pocket of fluid almost. And I don't know if you can tell. Anyways, I've been doing research on them, and they're called Malar bags, and really there's no way to get rid of them. So if anybody on here has a secret on how to get rid of them, please comment.
Well, I think I could comment on her post because you can get rid of them. You just have to be a specialist. What is caused by are ligaments that get loose, and then you have this potential space between the two sets of ligaments, and it's shaped like a comma. And that area where she said it looks like fluid, that's basically what it is fluid inside the muscle between the ligaments. It is a surgical repair, so come see me if you want it fixed.